Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Easy English Daily, your friendly podcast for learning natural, everyday English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo, and we are so happy you're here with us today.
If you're a regular listener, welcome back. We missed you. And if this is your very first episode, welcome to the family.
Yes, grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and let's learn some English together. Okay, Mia, before we start today, I want to ask you a question.
Ooh, I love questions. Go ahead.
Okay, imagine this. You're standing in a lift, small lift, just you and one other person. Total silence. 5 floors to go. What do you do?
I look at my phone, pretend I have a very important message.
Exactly. And I look at the lift buttons like they are the most interesting thing I have ever seen in my life.
Listeners, pause for a second. Have you ever been in that exact situation? That quiet, slightly uncomfortable moment where you think, should I say something?
That moment, that tiny uncomfortable silence, is the heart of today's episode.
We are talking about small talk, those short, simple, everyday conversations that somehow feel very, very big when it's your turn to speak.
So here's what we're covering today. And don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun.
First, why does small talk feel so scary, even when you know English?
Second, how to start a conversation easily without feeling awkward.
Third, how to keep the conversation going so it doesn't die after 2 sentences.
And fourth, how to end a conversation politely, like a pro.
Plus, we have a vocabulary spotlight, 5 useful words and phrases from today's episode, and a listener challenge at the end.
And this is a B1 level episode, so relax. You don't need to understand every single word. Just listen, enjoy, and let your English grow.
Okay, before the main lesson, let's warm up. This is your quick exercise for today.
I'm going to say 3 simple sentences that people use in small talk. Your job, just decide, is this a good opener or a not-so-good opener? Ready?
Okay, listeners, you can answer in your head or pause the episode and say it out loud. That's even better.
Sentence 1. Nice weather today, isn't it? Good opener or not so good?
Sentence 2, hello. And then complete silence. Good or not so good?
Sentence 3. That bag looks really nice. Is it new? Good opener or not so good?
Okay, the answers. Number 1, yes. Mentioning the weather is a classic friendly opener. Simple and easy.
Number 2, well, hello is fine, but without anything after it, the conversation goes nowhere. Not great on its own.
Number 3, yes. This is a great opener. It's a genuine compliment, it's specific, and it gives the other person something to respond to.
Good job, listeners. You already understand the basics of good small talk.
So, Leo, here's the question I hear from so many English learners. I know English words, I've studied grammar, but when I need to speak, my brain just stops. Why?
Oh, this is so real. And I think the main reason is this. Small talk happens in real time. There's no pause button, no time to prepare.
Exactly. And because it feels so simple, people think, I should be good at this automatically. And then when they feel nervous, they think, oh no, something is wrong with me.
But nothing is wrong. It's just that you have too many things happening at the same time. You're thinking, what do I say? How do I say it? Will my grammar be correct? Will I sound strange?
And all those thoughts arrive together, and your brain says, I cannot process all of this. I am closing for the day.
Yes. And then the silence gets longer and longer and more uncomfortable.
But here's the good news. Small talk is a skill, and skills can be learned. You don't need a perfect personality. You don't need a perfect accent.
You just need a few simple tools and, this is important, a calmer way to think about it.
Yes, because the moment you stop treating small talk like a test or a performance, something interesting happens.
Your words start to come more naturally.
Exactly. The goal of small talk is not to be impressive. The goal is to make the moment feel comfortable for you and for the other person.
And once you see it that way, the whole thing becomes much lighter.
Okay, Leo, Let me share a story. Imagine a guy. Let's call him Sam.
Okay, I like Sam already.
Sam is a good student. He's studied English for 3 years. He can read news articles, he can write emails, he watches English movies.
So Sam is actually quite good at English.
Yes. But one day, Sam starts a new job. His colleague walks over and says, "Hey, how's it going?" And Sam freezes. His brain goes completely blank.
Oh no, Sam!
Sam says, "Fine," and looks down at his desk. His colleague walks away, and Sam spends the rest of the day thinking, why couldn't I say something normal?
Listeners, can you relate to Sam? I think many of us can.
Sam's problem was not his English level. His problem was the pressure he put on himself. He thought, I need to say something perfect right now.
But actually, his colleague just wanted a normal, friendly response. Something like, "Pretty good, thanks. Still finding my way around. How about you?"
That's it. Simple, human, real. No big vocabulary, no grammar show-off, just warmth.
And here's the thing Sam didn't realize. The other person wasn't looking for a perfect answer. They just wanted a friendly moment.
So Sam's story teaches us something important. Simple is beautiful. Warm is better than perfect.
Okay, time for our vocabulary spotlight. 5 words and phrases explained simply with examples. Ready?
Let's go.
Word 1, small talk.
Small talk means short, friendly, casual conversations about everyday topics. Not serious, not deep, just light and comfortable.
Example, we made small talk while waiting for the meeting to start. Or, I love small talk with my neighbors in the morning.
Phrase 2, to strike up a conversation.
If you strike up a conversation, you start talking to someone in a friendly, natural way. You don't wait, you begin.
Example, she struck up a conversation with the woman next to her on the bus. Or, don't be shy, just strike up a conversation.
Word 3, approachable.
Approachable means easy to talk to, friendly, open, not cold or closed off. When someone seems approachable, you feel comfortable going up to them.
Example, my new teacher is very approachable. I feel comfortable asking her questions. Or, a smile makes you look more approachable.
Phrase 4, to break the ice.
When you break the ice, you do or say something to make a quiet or awkward situation more comfortable and relaxed.
Example, he told a funny story to break the ice at the party. Or, a simple question can break the ice with someone new.
And phrase 5, to hit it off.
If two people hit it off, they like each other immediately and connect very easily and naturally, right from the start.
Example, we hit it off right away at the party. We talked for 2 hours. Or, I hope I hit it off with my new colleagues.
Okay, listeners, practice time. This is the most important part. Please say the sentences out loud, not in your head, out loud.
I'll give you the sentence, then a pause. Your turn to speak. Ready?
1. Nice to meet you. How are you settling in?
Good. 2. This weather is crazy today, isn't it?
3. I couldn't help noticing. Is that a good book?
4. It was really lovely talking with you. Have a great day.
5. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you say it again?
Excellent work, listeners. Did you say them out loud? If yes, perfect. If not, go back and try again. Seriously, speaking practice changes everything.
Okay, part 2. Now we get practical. Let's talk about how to actually do small talk, step by step.
Step 1. Starting the conversation. The big question is, what do you say first?
My advice, start with what is already around you. Look at the situation, the weather, the place, something you both can see.
For example, if you're at a coffee shop, I love this place. Do you come here often? If you're at the office, busy morning, isn't it?
Or if someone has a nice bag, a cool laptop sticker, or a funny t-shirt, notice it. A genuine compliment is a wonderful conversation opener.
The most important thing? Sound natural. Not rehearsed, not like you read it from a textbook. Just speak like a normal, friendly human being.
Step 2. Keeping the conversation alive. This is where many people struggle. They start okay, but then the conversation dies.
The secret is ask open questions. Questions that need more than just yes or no as an answer.
For example, instead of, "Did you have a good weekend?" which can end with just yes, ask, "What did you get up to this weekend?"
Instead of, do you like this city? Ask, what do you like most about living here?
Questions starting with what, how, where, and why give people space to talk, and people love to talk about themselves.
Also, and this is really important, listen. Truly listen. When someone says something, follow up on it. Ask more about it.
For example, if someone says, "I went to a new restaurant last week," don't just say, "Oh, nice." Say, "Really? What kind of food? Was it good?"
That makes the conversation feel warm and alive. The other person feels heard, and that's a wonderful feeling.
And step 3, ending the conversation politely. This part people often forget to practice.
You don't want to just walk away suddenly. That feels rude. But you also don't want to be stuck talking forever. So use a polite exit phrase.
Try these. "It was so nice talking with you. I should get going now." Or, "I don't want to keep you, but this was lovely."
And if the conversation went really well, if you really hit it off, you can say, "Let's do this again sometime." That's warm, friendly, and leaves a great feeling.
A good ending is like a good dessert. It leaves everyone happy and wanting to come back.
I like that. Write that down, Leo.
I will. Let's do a quick summary. Today we learned small talk is a skill, not a talent you're born with. A skill.
To start, notice something around you and mention it naturally.
To keep going, ask open questions and really listen to the answers.
To end, use a warm, polite exit phrase so both people feel good.
And the most important thing? Relax. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to connect.
A simple, warm conversation can be the beginning of a real friendship. Never forget that.
Your challenge this week? Have one small talk conversation. Just one. You don't need to talk for 20 minutes. Even 60 seconds counts.
Use one of the openers we practiced today, start simple, and just see what happens. You might be surprised.
And if it feels a little awkward, that's completely okay. Awkward means you're trying, and trying means you're growing.
That's it for today's episode of Easy English Daily. Thank you so much for learning with us.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe on Spotify and Apple Podcasts so you never miss an episode.
And if you're watching us on YouTube, hit that like button and share this video with one friend who's learning English. It really helps us reach more learners.
You can also follow us on our Facebook page, link in the description. We post English tips, quizzes, and conversation practice every single day.
Remember, every English conversation you have, no matter how small, is a step forward. Keep going. You are doing great.
Take care of your English.
And take care of your heart. This is Mia.
And this is Leo. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.